Hi, I'm here today with the Vocal Kink. This is a great ski for anyone that wants to ski on mountain. What's unique about this ski is that it is a twin tip, but despite the fact that it's a twin tip, it's built directionally, so that way you get really good edge purchase on harder snow, and you're going to be able to go park, pipe, and anywhere else you want to go on the mountain because of the twin tip. And I really recommend it to an intermediate level skier all the way up through expert, and I enjoyed it everywhere on the mountain.